Good morning, boys and girls. I hope everybody is doing amazing. Today in class, we are going to learn about the artist Laurel Burch. We are also going to learn how to draw her fantastic felines. A feline is a cat. Laurel Burch loved cats because when she was younger, she had a horrible bone disease that didn't allow her to go out and play like all the other kids. So she loved to find comfort in the kitties while she cuddled them and pet them. So when she got older, she thought how fun it would be to draw and design fun cats. She is also known as a designer and a businesswoman. Now, the cats that we are going to design today aren't just a kitty cat, but it's going to have a lot of fun patterns and designs in the cat and also in the background. So while we are drawing the cat, I would like you to think about a theme that you would like to put inside of your cat. Maybe you like baseball, maybe you like soccer, maybe you like football, maybe you like flying kites or flowers like Mrs.Holsapple. Whatever you choose to do the design in your kitty cat, that's up to you. Now, maybe you'd rather just put a pattern inside of your cat. Maybe you'd like to do circles and lines and crisscrosses. That would be okay too. Or maybe you would like to draw a sky. Whatever you would like to do, the sky's the limit. You have fun with it and make it unique and special just like you. Now, after you're done drawing, you are more than welcome to color it. And I encourage you to go and do that also because it would be so much fun to have color in your design too, if you have that. If not, the patterns and the design that you come up with is just awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we are going to do on the side of our paper, we are going to make a W. So it'll be a straight line down, a smile, we'll stop, and we're going to finish our W. So another smile and a straight line up. That is the beginning of our face. Now, really quickly, Mrs. Holsapple would like to show you what we're doing. So our cat will look something like this. Not exactly like that. It's going to be unique and special just like you. So the next thing we're going to do on either side, we're going to do triangles. So it'll be an angled line up and an angled line down. Now remember, we're not going to close in the bottom of our triangle, so it's not going to be exactly a triangle. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Angled line up and angled line down. Now, if Mrs. Holsapple is going too fast for you, remember, you can hit the pause button and slow her down. So if you need to get to this point, pause me now and get to write your W and do your two triangles. And then you can unpause me and keep going. The next thing we'll do is we'll draw and connect our two triangles. Now we have the beginning of our face of our kitty cat. Now our kitty cat needs a nose. So right here in the middle of our W, we're going to do two angled lines. It's going to be kind of like an upside down W. So an angled line on one side and an angled line on the other side. Just like that, right there on our... So there is our beginning of our kitty cat nose. Now on either side, we'll do a slight straight line up from it's kind of like a V. So, or an upside down triangle. Next, our kitty cat needs eyes. So at the top of our straight line, we're going to do an upside down smile to the other end. And then we're going to do a smile underneath that to connect it. And there is one of our kitty cat's eyes. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side of our kitty cat. So an upside down smile and then a smile to join in the bottom. Now our kitty cat has eyes. Now he needs some pupils. So there'll be a circle inside of each of our eyes. And two circles because our kitty cat has two eyes. The next thing we'll do is we'll give our kitty cat a mouth. So at the bottom of our W, we're going to just smile, just like that. Now our kitty cat could use some whiskers. On the side of our kitty cat inside, we're going to do an angled line. It's going to be kind of like a V, and then an angled line down. And then in the middle of our V, we'll do another one. Another line. There's one whisker. And again, the same thing on the other side, angled line, make a V, and there is our kitty cat. Now our kitty cat needs a body. So straight line down, not to the end of our page, just about that far. And then on this side of our face, right about here, we're going to do an angled line, like a curve, just like that. Just a curve right on the side of his face, just like that. So a straight line down from one side, and then an angled line to about the same distance, just like that. And then at the bottom, we're going to do just a straight line across, and there is our kitty cat body. Now our kitty cat needs some feet. So I'm going to come right about here, and I'm going to do a straight line. So just come over just about an inch and go straight line up. There's one of his feet. Now to make the second foot, we'll come over about the same distance and do another straight line up. Now our kitty cat has 2 feet. Last but not least, before you are able to start creating your own design, we are going to need a tail. So on the side, about an inch up, right about here, we're going to do an S. So we're going to come over, around, and swoop over, just like that. So we did an S. So just like that, we made an S on the side of our kitty cat. Now from the S, we need to make a smile. So just like that, make a smile, and then we're going to curve all the way around. And there is our kitty cat tail. The next things we do are really kind of up to you. Again, you were supposed to be thinking about maybe a theme that you'd like to do. Maybe you like art and you'd like to do an art theme. Maybe you would like to do flowers or baseball or kites. Whatever you'd like to do inside of your kitty cat is up to you. It's going to be unique and special just like you. Last but not least, though, we do need to give it a horizon line. So in the back, so we'll give it a top and a bottom. We'll go straight line across, invisible line through, and then straight line across. Just like that. Now our kitty cat has somewhere to sit. Now I'm going to just do a little bit of a pattern just to show you kind of what I'm talking about inside of the kitty cat. I'm going to give him some triangles at the bottom because Mrs.Holsapple likes triangles. I'm going to maybe make some flowers on my kitty cat because I love flowers. So I'll do some petals around my flowers, around my middle right here. And what else does Mrs.Holsapple like? I think I'll make one more petal there. Down. Maybe I will make another flower over here, and I'll have them joined together. It's kind of hard to do at an angle. There we go. It looks a little, there we go. And maybe I will make some circles. Maybe I'll like to do some circles. Because I like to blow bubbles so they could be like bubbles. Maybe, let's see, what else does Mrs.Holsapple like? She could draw some. Maybe I just like to do a pattern over here. I'll do a small checkerboard. So I'll do some lines up and down, just like that. And I did a small checkerboard. So there's no wrong way or right way. Up above his eyes, I'm going to do some more triangles. Now, again, you do this however you'd like to do. Maybe you'd like to make a party cat. Maybe you'd like to make some balloons. Or maybe you like cake and you'd like to put cake inside of your kitty cat. Whatever you'd like to do, that is completely up to you. So I can't wait to see what you come up with and all your fun designs. Make sure that you post it on your either Seesaw or your Google Classroom, whichever one you have, so Mrs. Holsapple can see it, because I love seeing your work. I can't wait to create with you this week. And don't forget your background too. You can do all kinds of things. Maybe you'd like to draw clouds in your background. Maybe you'd like to give it a rainbow. Whatever you'd like to do, you are the artist. And I cannot wait to see, because Mrs. Holsapple learned so much awesome things from you, amazing artist. So I'll see you in class this week. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.